Delightfully simple breakfast ideas for diabetics. Breakfast is one of the most essential dish of the day. Well, it's real, and also particularly for diabetics. If you're tired of having the exact same point every day, you can switch up your early morning food routine with some wonderful diabetic person morning meal ideas. Eating foods at morning meal that have a reduced glycemic index might aid protect against a spike in blood sugar level all early morning long and also even after lunch. And also an excellent morning meal assists kick-start your morning metabolism and also maintains your power up throughout the day. What this means for diabetics is, starting the day with a correct meal made up of healthy and balanced diabetic person morning meal foods can assist stable blood sugar degrees. We recommend having a comparable amount of carbohydrates for breakfast every day. With this in mind, allows take an appearance at some healthy and balanced breakfast foods for diabetics. 1. Breakfast shakes. Having a shake might be a good alternative if you're pressed for time or don't feel like consuming anything soon after you wake up. A scrumptious healthy smoothie, loaded with important nutrients, is one of the most fulfilling diabetic person morning meal foods. For a meal soon, blend 1 cup of fat-free milk or plain non-fat yogurt with half mug of fruit, such as blueberries, bananas, or strawberries. Include 1 teaspoon of wheat germ, a teaspoon of nuts, as well as ice and also mix for a yummy, loading, and healthy breakfast. 2. Whole grain cereals. A healthy and balanced breakfast, specifically during the cooler months, is warm cereal. You can prepare a healthy and balanced diabetes breakfast by adding fruit as well as a half cup of milk to a mug of any hot grain. Cold or hot, the appropriate grain makes a fantastic morning meal. Delight in a bowl of high-fiber, low-sugar grain with skim milk, or warm plain oatmeal. When it comes to whole grain cereal, you cannot beat a bowl of steel-cut oats. They're loaded with fiber, vitamins, as well as minerals as well as make an excellent base for a healthy and also diabetes-friendly morning meal. 3. French toast. One more healthy and balanced alternative for diabetic breakfast concepts is French toast made with whole wheat bread, egg whites, as well as skim milk. To remain within your 45 to 60 grams carbohydrate limit, have 2 pieces of French toast made from whole wheat bread, with 2 tablespoons of light pancake syrup and also a cup of skim milk. Simply keep in mind to enjoy your portion dimension and toppings. Top your French toast with a tablespoon of peanut butter or no sugar added fruit rather than sugary syrup. 4. Egg sandwich. Eggs are rich in proteins and also can be integrated right into numerous diabetic breakfast concepts. Eggs help you feel sated as well as can make you feel full till the following dish. You can prepare an egg sandwich to start the time off with a healthy and balanced breakfast. To prepare a delicious egg sandwich for morning meal, prepare 1 egg right into an omelette and add a slice of fat-free cheese and a piece of beef slice to a whole wheat toasted English muffin. Complete with a medium-sized banana for a healthy and balanced morning meal that'll maintain you complete for hours. Bear in mind, if you have high cholesterol, you should never ever have more than 2 egg yolks in a week. There are lots of wonderful diabetic person breakfast suggestions for all taste. If you like fresh fruits, you can include even more of that in your dishes by having breakfast drinks or healthy smoothies. Or if you want whole grains, replace it for fruits or morning meal meats. If you're tired of having the same point every day, you can switch up your early morning food regular with some fantastic diabetic person morning meal ideas. What this means for diabetics is, starting the day with a proper meal made up of healthy and balanced diabetic person breakfast foods can aid steady blood sugar degrees. An additional healthy choice for diabetic morning meal ideas is French toast made with whole wheat bread, egg whites, and also skim milk. Eggs are abundant in healthy proteins and can be integrated into numerous diabetic person morning meal ideas. There are bunches of wonderful diabetic person breakfast suggestions for all taste. Thank you for watching video. Click the link below in description video to get excluded of type 2 diabetes today.